Alright, I removed the old dampers. There they are there. Put the new ones in. Of course, it's quite a tight fit, so I used some grease to get that sprocket carrier back on. It's not a recommendation, just showing you what I did. No recommendations here. So let's see how it fits. Over here, pick this up. And push it on. Pretty tight fit. So I have to step on this or something to get it on there. Here. There, it looks like it's all the way on. And there. There's no play between the sprocket carrier and the hub. So that's a success. Better for the machine. Less impact loading. You've got that play happening. So get the wheel back on and take it for a rip. There you have it. Replacing the rear wheel dampers on a 2004 Hayabusa. Thanks for watching.